What's up, guys? If you want to see how people are making crazy money by launching meme coins, this video is for you. I've been pulling in over $100,000 a month without gambling in the trenches or relying on trading. Instead, I launched the coins myself, set them up the right way from day one, and cash out using a proven system. Today, I'm breaking down my exact launch method and showing real proof in real time. Watch till the end. Now, look at the screen. Do you see my Phantom wallet right here? $5.3 million. While most people are stuck in the cycle of trading and losing money in the trenches, my wallet grew to this level because I stopped buying and started creating. I'm the one launching these coins and then cashing out on the demand. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they just bad at trading. They lose because they only trade and they do not move on to better strategies. They just buy into coins, right? Hoping for a quick pump. But the complete opposite happens. They get completely liquidated by the fucking dev of the coin, which means the person who created the coin dumps on them and takes all the money of everyone. Now, the truth is that in 2026, bro, deving meme coins has become way more profitable, way safer than trading. Why? Because, bro, launching coins costs nothing. It costs $0 to make coins. But trading, though, you will need a big portfolio if you want to be profitable. So I would highly recommend to start deving, launching coins, waiting for people to buy in, and then dumping it for profits, and then rinse and repeat that method over and over again. That is the smartest way to bag profits in this market, in my opinion. Now, when you launch your own coin, bro, you become the one in control of your own coin, which means you decide what you want to do. Do you want to clip profits, or do you want to just dump it directly and move on to the other coin? It's up to you. And in this video, bro, I will be exposing the whole strategy, okay? I will do a live example. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev meme coins professionally, all in this video, bro. Keep watching. It's going to be fucking insane. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. So please, bro, just do your own research. Do not copy me. Now, most people, when they start deving meme coins, they simply go to Pump.Fun and they try to make coins here, hoping for their coin to go viral. Now, let me tell you exactly why you are just wasting your time by making coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's oversaturated. It's over-competitive. Too many coins are launching. And as you guys can see here in the new pairs, coins are coming out every single second. So if you are launching here, bro, you are just wasting potential. Now, the main goal as a dev is obviously to get your coin in front of the Radium DEX, which is basically the migrate section. This is where all the volume is when your coin hits this level. Now, to reach that point, bro, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. And let's be honest, you are not going to reach that point because of the oversaturation. That's exactly why you have to be launching your meme coins on launchmeme.fun. Because, bro, let me tell you this, every single coin that is launched on launchmeme.fun goes to Radium immediately. That's why people are fucking keeping this launch pad. Now, bro, to make a meme coin, bro, you could either create one from scratch or you can do another method. But if you were to create a coin from scratch, bro, you would just go on X and you would look for any narrative. It could be anything, right? And then you would come back to launchmeme.fun. You would invent a name, a symbol, and an image, and then your coin is created after these steps. But I personally love the second method, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Why? Because every single coin here that you're seeing, they all already has a good narrative. They're all going viral and they're all gaining a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun. Now, the method here is to copy a coin from this list to Radium, right? And then you can bag a bunch of conversions and a bunch of buyers in your coin because you're copying a coin that went viral before. That's why I do this method, and I will do an example. So now it's time to copy a coin and see how much we can make from this method like I just explained. Okay, this is where we do a live example. First of all, make sure the Phantom wallet is connected. Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the Neuromech Sly coin. Click to copy Radium. Oops, I think I forgot to connect the wallet. Just simply connect your wallet and then again click copy to Radium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And the coin should be vamped. Okay, just give it some time. And boom, the token is officially live on Solana Explorer. Now, if I click view on SolScan, You guys can see that it was minted 15 seconds ago. Everything is working. It's live on the Solana blockchain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really simple. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Now here is where we create the Radium liquidity pool. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, when we create the pool, well, we will own the coins in our wallet. We will have the supply before everyone else, and it will launch directly to Radium. Now, for the amount of NeuroMech coins, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. For the second step, the amount of the pair that's the first transaction in your own coin, which you will be putting. You are not losing anything here, because when you cash out later, all this right here that you put for the supply will come back right to you in your Phantom wallet. I'm gonna put 3 souls, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up real quick, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then confirm. Now your token is open for trade. After that, bro, when that is done, then scroll down and boom, the NeuroMech coin is now live and your profits are gonna be right there. And if you click on the refresh button, you can see your metrics. For example, right now, within a couple of seconds, we're up $129. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some green profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to Memecoin. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Deck Screener, QMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this NMF, select Radium, and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $12,000 right now if I had to guess. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally $0 and now a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back and bang, bro. We are up to a $27,000 market cap and it has only been like a couple minutes. Like it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm gonna, dump it. So come back to launchmeme.fun real quick and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $18,000. It does change. The coin could go down or higher. So yeah, now click on the minus button really fast. Do 100% remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and boom, bro. That's exactly how you dev a coin and then cash out. But look, if I open my Phantom wallet, I receive the money, which is about $18,000 and 227 SOL in my Phantom wallet. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 SOL to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.